Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi halal. Start by choosing halal-certified seafood or plant-based alternatives and avoid alcohol-based mirin in rice seasoning. Prepare sushi rice with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt, ensuring the vinegar contains no alcohol. Select fillings like cucumber, avocado, cooked tuna, or halal-certified salmon. Keep your workspace and utensils separate from non-halal foods to prevent cross-contamination and label containers clearly. Start by rinsing sushi rice thoroughly until the water runs clear to remove excess starch. Cook rice with the correct water ratio and let it rest covered for optimal texture. Mix rice vinegar, sugar, and salt off heat, confirming the vinegar contains no alcohol. Fold the seasoning into the hot rice gently, then fan the rice while mixing to achieve the classic glossy finish and the right stickiness for rolling. Select fillings that match your halal requirements, such as halal-certified salmon, cooked shrimp, or vegetarian choices like avocado and cucumber. Slice ingredients into consistent strips so rolls hold together and each bite tastes balanced. Use separate boards and knives for halal and non-halal items and sanitize surfaces thoroughly between tasks. Assemble rolls on a clean bamboo mat, roll tightly, then slice with a wet sharp knife for neat pieces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.